So BPS said on 2024, 32.30% criminal case is motorbike theft. So me and my team have a solution.
But before that, I want to introduce our team. Okay, so my name is Alganes Danadi as the software engineer. And I am Malik, and that is my partner.
And I'm Khalid, and in this team, we become a member.
And I'm Haidarul Fakih as the leader of the team. So this is our project. It's called Smart Parking Project. So on this project, we use the ear sensor for the sensor, so it can detect for alarm the servo, so it can goes like up and down. It also goes to this ear sensor like this, and then here we make the like CCTV with the teachable machine, so we can detect how many cars are there. Like this, it's a empty, so there's no anything. And if we add like 3 cars like this, uh, wait, so it will say like this, full. It if the car just two, it will say two, like that. So this is for the CCTV of the project. So if there is the car or the motorcycle is parking here, we can detect it. So maybe it will decrease the thief of the motorcycle and car. And then what we use on this project, what the component we use on this project, we use the servo for the gate like this. And for the sensor here, we use infrared sensor. So with infrared, we can do this. It's also same. And then we use the jumper cable for the cable. So it's so many here. And then for the microcontroller, we use the microbit. This is microbit, as you can see here. The extension of the microbit, we use IObit here. And then the last but not least is the micro cable here. For this prototype, we use cars here, and then prototype parking like this. So that is our project that called Smart Parking.
So now I want to make for the code like this. So for the first, you must make your new project like this, and then for the first, you must add extension Bluetooth. Nah, just press. After that, you go to logic, get if and else, and then you go to logic again to take this comparison, and then you must go to pins, and then you take the digital red pin and then change the pin same in the wiring like this. So in the wiring it's pin 1, you must set pin 1, and then you set this one. After that, you go to pins again, and then go to servo white pin. In the wiring, I set the servo white pin is 5 like this, and then change the number to 19 and 90, and then to 0, so it will back to close again. And then we must add some pause if not get delay, and then if there is two servo, we must duplicate it will there is two like this. And then we just change the pin. This is 2, this is 3, and this is 3 2 like that. Okay, that's for the servo right pin, it will detect, and then we must add the Bluetooth in here, Bluetooth your service, like that. After that, we go to Bluetooth, and then we add this, and then we must make a variable slot. After that, we must go to logic, and then make it else if there is 3 else if. Now like this, and then you must go to logic, and then take this. After that, you make a and then this the variable you make, you must add in here, and then if kosong or empty, you must save the name in teachable machine. It will show string in the microbit is kosong, like this. Nah, after that we just copy again. It more fast if we copy or duplicate. Nah, we just change the name, same in the we must set 2 slot left if there is just 3 slot, and then we just 1 slot again if there is no slot, if there is 2 car, and then if the slot there is no slot again, we must same the name is penuh, like that. And then we must copy the source string again, like this. Just duplicate it more faster, and then we change this to penuh, and then this change to 1. Just same it the name in the up, 1 slot left, and then this is changed to 2 slot left, wait, typo, and then done. Okay, so this is for the code, and then maybe now.
Okay, we are ready in the last session, so maybe that's all from us. Thank you for watching our smart parking project. So smart parking project is the project that use microbit, servo, infrared sensor, IO bit, and many more. So we can learn in here the benefit of the smart parking project is we can know how much slot in that parking and preventing us from the thief motorbike or car thief, yeah. And maybe that's all from us. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, and our team, if there is any wrong words or wrong meaning, the last what us to say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.